Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new arrival here at the store. It's the Moerman Excelerator handle 2.0. So they made a few adjustments and some changes to this handle. Some features here that I think a lot of people are really going to like. So I'm going to go over a few of them for you. So if you remember with the original Moerman Excelerator handle, you had three different angles to play with. You had the 40-degree angle like that. You had a 25-degree angle and a 10-degree angle, so hardly any angle there. Well, now they've added a couple additional angles. They've added the -5-degree and the -20. So you might be asking yourself, well, why would I want a -degree squeegee handle? Well, quite often you might be in situations where you have deep ledges or deep sills or deep mullions where you're having a little bit of trouble closing out, and because at the angle that it is, by the time you get either with a pole or by your hand, by the time you get close to the bottom or close to the side, your knuckles, or if you're using it on a pole kind of hits the frame or the sill before the channel actually gets right down to the bottom of the glass. So having a -5-degree, it's almost similar to the younger 0-degree handle or the Ettere 0-degree, allows you to get right over to the edge. But they've added a little bit even extra in the -20. Now, for those of you who like to do a lot of pole work and ground pole work, storefront work, I think this could be quite handy using it on a pole. Now, before I show you an example of how you might want to use that, one of the other features on this particular handle is the new way that the handle holds a squeegee channel. So first of all, you got to flip up this sort of half disc thing here. Insert your channel, find the center spot, and clamp down. Now right away I can see, you can take a look, seems to have a little bit extra thing on the top here to hold. It conforms to the top of the channel basically, and it seems to have a better grip on the rubber and the channel, making sure that it doesn't slip back and forth. I think some people had some issues the odd time with some of the other handles with it slipping, or at least the rubber slipping a little bit. So this is nice and secure. So as I was going to say, with the pole work, just like the old handle, you have a lock here that'll release the pivot mechanism. If you're doing a lot of windows that are either ground level or pretty close to being ground level, you can really get good at fanning it because it's holding it at the right angle. If you try to fan with a regular squeegee on ground level windows, already you're starting off with the rubber at the wrong angle, and the only way you can do it is to get under it. This one here, you don't have to be scrouching down. You can just do this kind of thing, and we've seen a lot of that with the Unger 0-degree handle as well as the Ettere. So I think that's a pretty cool innovation of the Moerman Excelerator handles, available now at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.